Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. Now I will introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Satrio and I will presentation my assessment about segment routing and MPLS. MPLS is multi-protocol label switching. What is segment routing? Segment routing is a special type of technique for packet delivery that combines multi-packet in a reserved list for the delivery of a particular trajectory. Segment routing provides an alternative to routing source and work with IP version 6 network in infrastructure. Basically, in network segment routing, packets are assigned to a group of packets that can be labeled as a segment or transmitted over a data plane in the network. Routing have two parts. The first is starting routing. Starting routing is a type of routing whose routes are manually added to the routing table. The advantage of this type of routing is it is higher security. And the second, dynamic routing. Dynamic routing is routing that is done automatically by the router. This router can be made a routing table in a automatic way by listening to traffic on a network and communicating with other routers. And the difference from the two routing is if starting routing we can and static routing can be controlled with the administrator. If the dynamic routing it is cannot be controlled with administrator and it is have with the system from the system. Before we learn about segment routing, we must learn about fundamental component. And the one point is segment router domain, a collection of nodes that participate in segment router protocol. Within an segment router domain, a node can execute egress, transit, or exit procedure. And the second segment router path, an order list of a segment that connect and segment routering injures node to an SR egress node. Typically, if follow the least cost path from egress to egress. And the third SR segment is a forwarding intru 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 intrusion that causes a packet to traverse a section of the network topology. SR definition many SR segment type and the two used most often are adjective and prefix segment. This is the option of the fundamental component, and we will be next to how segment routing work. There is the explain. When a packet arrives at the SR address node, it will follow the exiting rules. If the packet meets the conditions suitable for the SR path, the SR inbound node encapsulates the packet in the SR tunnel, then traverses the SR path segment by segment at each segment in the SR path and at the point not at the segment. For the example, the simple of example, there is a sender will be send the packet, and from the Aries R1, and the router or routering will be choose the router more effective to send or escape the for the receiver, and the routing will be short or the router more effective for the packet sent to the receiver or sent to the receiver. For this the example. Continue for the material 2. What is MPLS? MPLS is multi-protocol level switching. Is benefit of segment routing. A key benefit of SR is its ability to simplify the network and the reduce resource utilization, making it easier to manage and operate your network. You can see the picture located from the MPLS between layer 3 and 2 because the MPLS program in the between layer 2 and 3. You can see MPLS in between in layer 2. Layer 2 is data link and layer 3 in network in OC layer. And next, I'm sorry, the camera, I don't know the camera off, and I will continue from the LSR label switching router. For wording, package, swap, and based on the label and and this is the component of MPLS and many again. And thank you very much for your attention and spend your time for watching my video. See you again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.